strap you down here, okay?
Okay.
Let's relax, let the body fall. Very good. How'd that feel?
Oh man.
That's what you came from Arizona for.
That's what I needed. I've been searching for it.
How'd it feel?
Felt good.
Awesome, awesome. Just let that head fall. Let it drop, let it drop.
Oh.
Wow. Contact this, relax, let it fall.
Oh.
My goodness. Oh, how are you feeling so far?
I feel great.
Awesome. Just let the head fall, let it drop.
Oh.
Wow. How'd that feel?
Unbelievable.
Awesome. Just let it fall, let it fall. Beautiful. How are you feeling?
Good.
Awesome. So I'm going to strap you in here.
Okay.
Good. Let it drop. Probably let it fall. Perfect. Very nice. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. And just let it all out. There we good. My goodness. One more time, deep breath in. And all the way out. Perfect. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath in. And let it all go. Just relax it.
Oh, shit. Oh.
How'd that feel?
It was so good.
Awesome. It's good. Lift it up. Perfect. That shoulder there. Perfect. And just let it fall. Let it fall.
Oh my goodness, I needed that so bad.
How did that feel?
Yeah, so good.
Awesome. Just let it fall. Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that feels so good.
What are you feeling?
Oh, I feel my whole body is so relaxed. Oh.
All the way out. Just relax and let it fall. There we go.
Oh my god.
How'd that feel?
Oh, like I thought it would. Oh my god.
Awesome. Perfect. Just give me full control here and just let the head fall to the left. Just let the head fall for me. There we go. Here as well, just let it fall. There it is. Perfect. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it.
That was so bad. I even heard it myself.
Just let that shoulder dip. Perfect. Just let the head drop to the left. Man, that's crazy. And just let the head drop, let it fall. Oh, beautiful.
That's crazy.
feeling?
Loose.
Awesome.
Good.
Good, man. Go ahead, nice deep breath in and let it all go. Perfect. Very good. Wow. Okay, just relax for me. Very. Just relax it. Perfect. How's it feeling? Good as new?
Yeah.
Awesome. Just relax that shoulder. And just let the head drop for me.
Oh.
Very good. Wow.
Just that drop it crap.
And just let the head fall. Beautiful. Wow. How are you feeling so far?
Better.
Good. For me? All the way out. Relax it.
Oh. Damn, that's crazy.
Did that answer your question for you?
Yeah, that's crazy.
What did you feel?
I felt it. The whole entire back.
Awesome, awesome. Down towards me. Relax that shoulder, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna feel me contacting from the other side in here as well. Just relax it.
Oh.
Wow. How are you feeling?
I'm really good. Thank you so much.
Good. Just let the head drop to the left. Let it fall. Oh. All the way out. Relax it.
Oh. Damn, that's crazy.
Did that answer your question for you?
Yeah, that's crazy.
What did you feel?
I felt it. The whole entire back.
Awesome, awesome. Deep breath in, all the way out. Very good.
Oh, that felt so good.
Good. Let's go to the other side. You're cracking already. Again, deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Wow, how'd that feel?
Oh my god, it felt so good.
Perfect.
Oh.
How did that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Now, any pain behind this shoulder blade here?
Yeah.
Now, let me know when I get to a real tender spot. Okay, nice deep breath in for me. And just let it all go. Perfect. You can see this right scap even out, level out quite a bit for us. Just relax the ankle for me. Relax the ankle for me. Perfect. Alright. So do me a favor, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in and just let it all out. Very good. How'd that feel?
Great.
One more time, deep breath in. And just let it all out. Awesome. Come down here. Just relax that shoulder here. Just let the head drop, let it fall, let it fall. Nice. How are you feeling?
I can go to sleep now.
Sweet dreams are made of live. Who am I? It's your love. And we are never going home. Take my breath. Bad habits lead to late nights. I'm begging you. You tell me things you want.
Just let the head fall. Beautiful.
All I can do is laugh.
And just let the head drop. Very good. Whew. How are you feel so far?
Great.
Awesome. Good deal.
Oh, I ain't never had nothing like this before in my life.
So any pain as I do this here, but as we come down. Very good. All the way down to the left for me. Flex that shoulder there. And just let the head just drop to the left.
Oh my god, that was so loud. Oh my god, that felt good.
And just let the head fall.
Wow.
Just relax it for me. Let the body sink to the table. Drop for me. And fall. You're cracking already. Deep breath in for me. All the way out. Yeah.